He is Sid for today. Yes, exactly. मेरी लड़ाई तो खुद से ही है.
क्योंकि साले agreed. I told you, nepotism people can.
Yes, in another episode. Because
Hello.
hello Conan. Good to
How are you?
I'm good. Good to hear your voice.
Yes, finally it's back.
Yeah.
मैंने लास्ट पॉडकास्ट में बोल दिया था मेरी वॉइस सेक्सी लग रही है, चली गई
हाँ।
वॉइस.
नजर
शराब
लगा
लग गया,
दी.
नजर लगा दी मैंने.
See, there are two sides to it. One, nazar lagi because people might have watched and heard it. So
Yeah.
people are watching our podcast.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
दूसरा मैं बंगाली के साथ करता हूँ तो
So maybe मैंने काला जादू किया. Who knows? As usual, before starting the podcast, we have to do our ritual.
yeah,
So अर्ज किया है.
wait.
हाँ.
Since it's a ritual,
हाँ.
this time I will do it.
Oh, for a change. The
What a
actual,
change, guys.
the actual Urdu guy.
Yeah, the actual Urdu guy is gonna do the शायरी.
Irshad.
इरशाद से पहले थोड़ा सा
Kamil. Okay.
Oh.
Yeah, so he is Sid for today.
yeah.
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Yeah.
क्या राजा का बेटा ही बनेगा राजा?
वाह.
क्यों प्रजा में कोई नहीं है काबिल?
ओह वाह.
क्या राजा का बेटा ही बनेगा राजा? क्यों प्रजा में कोई नहीं है काबिल?
वाह.
Sometimes nepotism is good. So just chill, just chill.
अरे चिल चिल चिल्ला के खतरी सुनाए ढोल ढोल.
On that note, guys,
Welcome to another episode of Comics Cut. My name is Sid.
my name is Kanan Pasha.
And if you couldn't tell by his shairi, in today's episode, we'll be talking about the good from Bollywood nepotism.
Yes, sometimes nepotism does good things.
Yes.
What are your thoughts about nepotism in general in life?
See, I'm a product of nepotism. Yeah. My parents were Bengali, so I was brought into being Bengali. So
Acha,
technically
वैसा.
nepotism, na.
See, okay.
Oh, okay, but on a serious note, I mean, see, I think nepotism technically exists everywhere, you know. Like, for example, a doctor's son will become a doctor, like a policeman's son will become policeman, SBI worker's son will become a sleeper, they will eat and sleep.
Government officers
Yeah.
become comics.
Yeah, or someone who sells tea.
Coming back
Yes.
to nepotism, like nepotism has always been there, and I see that nepotism has done good and also bad.
Hmm.
But at the end, it comes to individual talent.
Yeah, obviously.
Like if you ask me कि यार तुम चाहे कुछ भी हो, coming back to Bollywood,
Yeah.
if you ask भाई अमिताभ बच्चन का बेटा स्टार नहीं बन पाया भाई,
Yeah,
अमिताभ बच्चन का बेटा स्टार नहीं बन पाया.
exactly.
He became a good actor. He's great.
Ah.
Abhishek is one of the greatest actors.
Obviously, but he does not have the stardom as of Amitabh
Exactly.
Bachchan, you know.
Exactly. He doesn't have the stardom. Amir Khan comes from a normal producer. ऐसा नहीं कि Amir Khan's father has given like one or two big hits.
Yeah.
यादों की बारात and everything.
हाँ.
But Amir Khan became Amir Khan because he gave his stardom.
Exactly.
मैं सलमान तक पहुंच भी नहीं रहा हूँ because okay, at a point I would also accept कि Salim and Javed had a stardom behavior. Salim and Javed had a stardom behavior.
Yeah.
But कहाँ Salman became star because of himself.
Yeah, exactly.
I don't see कि कोई ये बोल दे कि Salman stardom is because of the nepotism. भाई,
हाँ.
I don't think so.
No, he made what he is by himself.
Exactly.
Like, if you see his movies, it's not, you can, like, there are a lot of Nepo babies even back then who did not stand out. Like, Devanand ka beta bhi to,
हाँ,
he did.
देवानंद का बेटा नहीं बन पाया.
Yeah.
Akshay Khanna struggled a lot.
Yeah.
Akshay Khanna struggled a lot.
Exactly.
Being a son of Vinod Khanna, who was a big star.
Yep. So it should have been like a smooth sail for him, but it was not.
Exactly. It wasn't Dharmendra's son. If we talk about Dharamji's son,
Yeah.
Sunny did good, but initially he also struggled a lot.
Yeah.
And Bobby Deol now he's getting ki
Yeah,
now he's
exactly.
doing
Back
good.
then, if you see the old movies of Bobby Deol,
Bobby was not that good.
no.
And seriously, this is what actually nepotism is in
Yeah.
everywhere.
Yeah.
तुमको शायद एक इन मिल जाएगा, तुमको एक
हाँ.
recognition मिल जाएगा.
Yeah. But
Like
then you
for
have
my
to-
cousin,
Hmm.
I'm talking from my perspective, from my family perspective. My cousin, my grandfather was a lawyer.
Hmm.
My cousin is a lawyer now.
Yeah.
But अगर मेरा cousin केस अच्छे से नहीं लड़ेगा या
हाँ.
doesn't perform well in the court, obviously कोई नहीं जाएगा उसके पास.
Exactly.
वो एक पॉइंट तक जाएंगे कि चलो एक चांस देते हैं, 2 चांस देते हैं, उसके बाद और हम लोग बॉलीवुड ही सबसे ज्यादा चांस देता है
हाँ. वो.
एज एन ऑडियंस.
Yeah.
बट समटाइम्स आई फील कि यार some Bollywood nepo out
हाँ.
sorry results
हाँ.
or output,
Products.
yeah, some star kids or something,
Hmm.
they are doing good.
Yeah.
They
For
are
example,
improving.
Vicky Kaushal.
Vicky Kaushal again a
Yeah.
nepo thing.
He's a nepo product,
Yeah.
right? But he has made it for himself.
Yes.
He proved that he has the skills, like acting wise.
मैं देखो बताऊँ ना, ये
हाँ.
this is the hatred which social media has given कि यार ये तो ऐसे ही हैं. Like for example, I shared you a reel recently.
Yeah.
Ranbir was walking through economy and he saw some director or something and he said, "Kaisa hai tu?"
हाँ.
And then Vicky Kaushal crossed by and he saw him and said, "Hello, sir."
Hmm.
I'm like, रणबीर से छोटा है bro.
Yeah.
रणबीर will talk. अगर मेरे से कोई छोटा है, मैं कैसा है भाई?
हाँ, obviously.
वो दोस्ती की तरह है.
हाँ.
बट उसका इतना बड़ा पतंगड़ बना दिया कि ओ रणबीर doesn't have this, ये nepo baby star kids. अबे
the nepo debate started because of social media itself,
yeah,
and it was instigated by people whose movies did not work. Okay, like let's be honest, the nepotism has always been there everywhere.
everywhere.
Why did it start over the recent times? It is because
Social media.
few people just instigated it.
Yeah, and see, okay, where I believe it majorly happened with in 2020 when what happened with Sushant Singh Rajput.
Yeah,
And
of course that
People
was
started. It was not people were not supporting him or anything like that.
yeah,
They
Yeah.
were riding on that thing and making bucks for themselves.
exactly.
It was not कि हम लोग सुशांत सिंह राजपूत के लिए खड़े होंगे. अबे तुम लोगों ने उसकी मूवीज नहीं देखी.
हाँ, where
तुम
were
लोगों ने
you
उसको
when
नहीं
these
बनाया भाई
movies-
स्टार.
Yeah, exactly. When people did not go to the theater when he was actually working,
Yeah,
but it is just riding
Son
the
Chidiya, such a beautiful movie.
yes,
Detective Bomkesh
Bokish
Baji,
Bakshi.
such a good movie. किसी ने नहीं देखी.
I watched it in when it released in the
Yeah.
theaters. I watched it twice. Half the theater was empty,
Bro, exactly. And people are like,
and
oh,
that too in a city like Bombay.
मैं वही बोल रहा हूँ ना. Now you say कि अरे सुशांत भाई चल. अबे काय का भाई? जब भाई था तब तुम लोगों ने कुछ किया नहीं.
Exactly.
अब तुम लोग बकचोदी कर रहे हो कि अरे भाई क्यों. और भाई तुम सबको एक चीज मैं क्लियरली बता देता हूँ.
हाँ,
बॉलीवुड क्रिएटिव है
हाँ,
बट भाई उनको पैसे कमाने.
हाँ.
अगर हम लोग किसी की मूवी नहीं देखेंगे, प्रोड्यूसर उनको नहीं साइन करेगा.
Exactly. So guys,
प्रोड्यूसर बोलेगा कि भाई तेरी ऑडियंस है ही नहीं, मैं क्यों.
yeah, it's our responsibility, guys, to go and watch movies.
Guys, I'll tell you one thing. Basically, it's like कि for us to make this podcast, our setup has a cost.
Exactly.
Our setup has a cost. सिर्फ ये 2 लोग बैठ के बात करने के लिए इतना कॉस्ट है.
Yeah.
सोचो एक मूवी बनाने के लिए कितना महंगा पड़ेगा. और तुम उस पे बोलते हो कि अरे इसको नहीं लिया.
Matlab, not just monetary, it's in time.
टाइम.
It's in your mental thing, your physical health, your mental health. Everything goes for a toss.
Why do you think we drink coffee? हम लोग को
Yeah.
मजा नहीं आता. ये चाहिए क्योंकि सुबह सुबह शूट कर रहे हैं हम लोग.
Ah, both of us didn't sleep yesterday night
Yes.
because again we write content. So guys, again show some love, subscribe.
Yeah. Love, please, so that
Yeah.
खाली है ये अभी भी.
Yeah.
But talking about coming back to nepotism,
Yeah.
what do you think which have been like, if you say कि okay top 3 अगर मेरे को पता करना है कि ये
हाँ.
top 3 हैं
हाँ.
जो best nepotism products निकले हैं.
हाँ. So I would definitely Vicky Kaushal तो obviously. ठीक है. Then I would say
हुस्न
Oh,
तेरा तौब.
but you can dance, I can't. So
Katrina Kaif. I loved Vicky Kaushal one meme, dude.
हाँ.
So वो जब तौबा तौबा आया,
हाँ.
it's like Oh, I didn't know a wife teaches you dancing also. That's true, dude. Fuck, Katrina has taught him dancing also. No?
Yeah. And see, great product of nepotism.
Yeah,
He
great.
got Katrina. I mean,
He got, yeah. If nepotism can give you that,
yeah, then
why not? Also, nepotism can take you away. Sorry, Salman bhai. Salman Khan is hilarious.
Yeah. But the
nepotism.
second product of nepotism, who over the last few movies that I have seen, Ananya Pandey,
Improving a lot.
improving so much.
A
I'm
lot.
impressed. Like from Kho Gaye Hum Kaha, then you Kesari Chapter 2. I mean, then even okay, Call Me Bay, even though not a great series, her performance excellent.
Bro, Kesari 2 पे तो I was like, bro, what? ये
Yeah.
कहाँ से निकल के आए भाई? इसको
Right, right.
ये कहाँ से आ गई भाई?
I'm impressed by Ananya Pandey.
So,
Like, so
Yeah.
Call Me Bay, I watched it. And yeah, of course, the script and all was not that great, or maybe not for me. But Ananya was really good in it because it was a role that fit her.
I have seen some snippets and I'm like, yeah, makes sense.
Yeah.
She looks actually, she's
Yeah.
performing really good. But ये मेरा thought था when Ananya Pandey. So basically, Janvi, Ananya and Sara
हाँ,
had their debut very close.
हाँ,
So I was really expecting Janvi to do really well. Because I saw Dhadak and I'm like, कि, bro, Janvi में potential तो दिख रहा है, श्रीदेवी की थोड़ी तो है इसमें,
हाँ,
जीन्स तो है.
हाँ.
फिर मैंने देखा सारा अली खान. सारा अली खान also did really good in Kedarnath.
हाँ, yeah.
She was in Kedarnath. It was a really fun movie. I was like, अच्छा bro, Sara also is
I mean, we wouldn't call Kedarnath a fun movie.
fun, matlab to watch a good movie. A good movie.
Yeah.
And her performance was good.
Yeah,
So I was like, oh wow, Sara is also a really good actress, dude.
exactly.
And then I saw Ananya Pandey Student of the Year 2 and I'm like, ये निकलेगी वो, ये 2 दिन में
हाँ.
निकल जाएगी.
But
जो
the flip
switch मार
happened.
रहा है भाई.
Yeah,
Sara Ali Khan is in Metro in doing that stupid thing.
but in those Sara Ali Khan
Much better.
character actually worked in the story, in terms of the
Yeah,
story.
correct.
It really worked.
But that's the thing, right? Still, I believe Sara could do much better.
Yeah. She has a
Obviously,
lot
she
to
will.
prove.
I still have some hope with
Uh.
Janvi somehow. I don't know why.
Okay.
Even after seeing Param Sundari. Even after seeing Param Sundari, I
No,
believe,
I
dude.
Kinda have given up.
No. मेरे को ना अभी भी उससे उम्मीद है because she did that Jerry वाला thing.
Jerry भाग जाएगी और सब.
नहीं,
क्या?
something Jerry. Jerry वो चूहा वाला जो किया था उसने, वो भी काफी अच्छा.
Jerry
performance.
चूहा.
अरे Jerry चूहा नहीं. Her movie is something about Jerry, dude, where she's stuck in that freezer वाला.
हाँ. So it is.
Jerry भाग जाएगी.
I think it is Jerry भाग जाएगी.
पता नहीं.
Hey guys, let us know in the
Yeah,
comments.
let us know in the comments.
Yeah, I think
But her also in Bawal
Hmm.
was a good performance.
decent.
Decent. So I was like, oh, this is improved. She's improved. And I'm like, okay, now this is going good.
No, but you know what I feel with her, especially from whatever I've seen of Param Sundari. Matlab, I have watched the whole movie in ways that I should not name.
Yeah.
But I think
Doggish style में.
हाँ, yeah. Exactly.
Yeah, good.
गांड से देख रहा था.
But yes.
But I feel like it feels like she is being
Doing too much, na?
she's acting.
Yeah, I
It's
know.
not natural.
I
It
know.
does not feel natural.
And dude, Janvi, I think she has to buckle up. She has
Yeah,
big
because it
shoes
is-
to fill.
In this race, if she doesn't perform well, then it's done for her. It's done.
No.
तो
Yeah,
वो
100%.
हो जाएगा
100%.
कि
Even
हाँ,
even I saw the new Sunny Sanskari ki Tulsi Kumari.
yeah.
Janvi is not that impactful, dude. Though the Panwadi song,
हाँ,
bro, now I get the gist of the story
हाँ.
कि क्या होने वाला है. But still, यार, Janvi
See, it is basically Humpty Sharma के दुल्हनिया. Okay, let's be honest.
हाँ वही है. अरे वो टेम्पलेट वही है, वरुण
Yeah.
धवन है, वही
हाँ.
चलेगा, वही होगा. Only problem now, right now, I'm feeling is कि यार तुम लोग कहीं कुछ हग रहे हो. You have to improve.
हाँ.
Janvi especially कि यार कहीं realize कि what wrong you're doing.
Either she needs to take some time off, learn acting, or she needs to select good projects. One
I
of
think
those.
she needs to select good projects.
हाँ.
Param Sundari is not gonna make her a good actress.
Nah.
And because she has potential, you can see it in her.
हाँ.
You can see her in her interviews also.
Yeah.
She has good potential because she has थोड़ा
Keep talking.
हाँ
हाँ.
उसका थोड़ा ऐसा है ना, she comes from a family
हाँ.
like the next thing which we will talk about also is she comes from a family जहाँ उसने देखे हैं good actors.
Yeah.
Anil Kapoor is a good actor.
Yeah.
Sanjay Kapoor has done good performances. Though he was not hit, he has done good performances. She's a daughter of Sri Devi. Bro.
Yeah. So she should, like, how did she not audition for Avatar? I have no idea.
मैं जो बकचोदी कर रहे हैं।
Sorry, guys. But it was right there. The joke was right there.
100%.
Yeah, but moving on to the other Nepo,
Yeah.
like I just have one left, but I'm going to squeeze in two people here
Hmm.
in the same spot. One is Alia Bhatt as an actor. Matlab, since Highway, her acting is insane. The project she has worked for, like all the Alia Bhatt project, including Jigra. I love those movies.
Also one of the Nepo product, which is
हाँ.
first movie you saw, you're like, "ये क्या है ये?
Yeah, exactly.
ये क्या है?"
हाँ, that time we were like, हाँ, Karan Johar School of Nepotism. But then
Highway के बाद like, क्या है ये?
Highway, Udta Punjab, Dear
Udta
Zindagi,
Punjab,
Jigra,
bro.
ये
Kapoor and Sons.
Kapoor and Sons, then
Gangubai.
Gangubai Kathiawadi, the lawyer one.
क्या?
अरे और एक था ना कि ऐसे पिंक टाइप का एक था ना और एक मूवी like on the same lines.
Darlings.
Darlings.
Oh, great.
Right.
Alia Bhatt great.
So Gully Boy, she was good. I loved her
Good, but
performance.
I have problem with Gully Boy as a movie.
नहीं, of course. Now I'm talking about her performance.
Her performance तो very good.
So that's what we saw.
Bro, which was that movie she did? कौन सा था वो?
एक और था ना ऐसा I'm zoning out. एक और
नहीं,
movie,
बहुत सारे
I want to talk about another movie, but
Razi.
yes, that was the movie I could not remember.
Razi.
Razi.
I was also like, bro, Razi Shah, her performance is so good.
Yes.
I'm like, ये है actress.
Yeah.
Nepotism तुम लोग बोल रहे हो भाई है अच्छी है भाई.
हाँ, so she's a very good product of nepotism.
Yeah.
And the last one I want to squeeze in the same is
Her husband?
and I mean that you can take up.
Yeah, I'll take that.
But I want to squeeze in someone who took a different approach of being a nepo baby. Mr. Aryan Khan. Bro.
That is actually true. Dude, that guy is actually talented.
He is talented as well as so smart. Again, I mean, Shah Rukh Khan's son has to be.
Bro, obviously. I'll tell you one thing. That guy is talented and he's proven it
Yeah.
with the teaser.
Yeah.
He knows how to act. Oh, he's directing.
He talks exactly like Shah Rukh.
Exactly like Shah Rukh.
Right?
Exactly.
There
He
is
is
no-
copy of Shah Rukh.
Yeah, there is no doubt that this is not Shah Rukh's gene.
हाँ, बिल्कुल शाहरुख की तरह बात करता है वो. Thing is, now Aryan knows how to direct.
Yeah.
So he knows, okay, now he will be a controlled guy.
Yeah.
He is very good at acting,
Yeah.
which we have seen in teaser and trailer
Exactly.
and voiceovers. He's very good at that. And recently they released a song.
Yeah.
Diljit Dosanjh, जिसमें Aryan sang and rap.
Yep.
I'm like, bro, उसको ये भी आता है. ये talent.
Multi-talented, dude. Multi-talented.
Very good. And I'm like, this is what we want as a nepotism product. कि
Yeah.
ये कर सके.
You know, that's why. So when I saw the announcement teaser of Bats of Bollywood, I was so impressed. I was like, yeah, dude, this is a different approach of making a Nepo entry.
Yes.
And again, I'm saying Nepo entry because he's Shah Rukh Khan's son, but
Yeah, obviously Shah Rukh Khan.
but
देखो,
he has done it.
He is
own.
proving at every
Yeah.
stage कि I am talented.
Yes, that's what.
He is proving कि भाई मैं first से talented हूँ.
हाँ,
आगे जाके मैं हगूंगा भी
हाँ.
तो भी हगेगा तो हर कोई.
Yeah,
बता.
yeah.
शाहरुख खान ने भी डुप्लीकेट कर रखी है भाई.
Guddu.
गुड्डू कर रखी है. ब्रो शाहरुख ने गुड्डू की.
Yes, exactly. So,
चमत्कार किए उस आदमी ने.
yes.
Oh my god.
हाँ.
बट हाँ शाहरुख ने भी हगा है भाई. सबने हगा है.
Yeah.
मंगल पांडे देखिए भाई हमने देखा है. चूस.
Thugs of Hindustan.
टग्स ऑफ हिंदुस्तान तो नेक्स्ट लेवल पे अलग गंदी थी भाई. वो नेक्स्ट
तो-
लेवल पे गंदी थी.
If someone like Lal Singh Chadda, if Amir can mess up big time like this, anyone
Yeah.
can.
100%. 100%.
Anyone can.
Anyone can.
I had to say to this camera.
But talking about Aryan Khan,
Huh.
Khan, I think so. He's taken a very smart route. He's
Yeah.
smart.
Yeah,
And I believe Shah Rukh is also very smart to tell him, keep, okay, what you're doing. And he has got proper guidance from his father.
Yeah.
Because when Shah Rukh came in, he was no one.
Yeah.
But now when Aryan Khan is coming, he's going to come with a lot
Son of Shah Rukh. Yeah.
Son of Shah Rukh. जो होता है.
Like all eyes are on him.
Yeah, all eyes are on him.
Yeah.
And a very smart move to say कि मैं theater में नहीं करेगा, मैं Netflix पे करेगा. Because मेरे को पहले दिखाना है कि मैं कितना capable हूँ.
हाँ.
And then I will show कि मैं आगे.
Yeah, and Netflix is comparatively a safer space.
Safer space, very safe space. And he did a very smart job.
Yeah.
I believe looking at the product, teaser, trailer, जो भी अभी तक आया है, it looks fun.
Yeah. Yeah. And you know, that's after a long time, I've seen a good trailer. You know.
What a cut, dude.
So this is how you cut trailer. Rest of Bollywood learn.
Very good.
Yeah.
Dude, you know,
I think the
recently
Red Chillies must have cut the trailer.
Red Chillies, obviously. But वो है ना, because Red Chillies has cut, Red Chillies is producing, everything is done by Red Chillies. So Shah Rukh and Aryan have control.
Yeah. Yeah.
Like, I will tell you, people were talking about Singham again, and Rohit Shetty recently was talking about, यार मेरे को सिंघम में ऐसे नहीं दिखानी थी. ट्रेलर काटा रिलायंस ने.
There you go. You lose half your control
like
when
कि
producers
भाई-
come in.
प्रोड्यूसर्स का वो हो जाता है कि अरे मेरे को अक्षय कुमार भी दिखाना है.
हाँ.
नहीं देखना हमको अक्षय कुमार भाई.
Keep something as a surprise.
कितना सरप्राइज रख सकते थे तुम लोग, क्या क्या कर सकते थे.
Yeah.
एंड यू लाइक कि नहीं किया, बट आई एम लाइक चलो ठीक है, जीरो जो हुआ सो हुआ.
हाँ.
ऑल्सो एक्टिंग वाज बैड इन दैट मूवी. मैंने
वो तो obviously.
एक्टिंग भी बैड हुई.
Story भी बहुत ही. Just because you say it is a Ramayana adaptation does not make it good, by the way.
Exactly.
Ramayana is a holy book. It's beautiful. The story is amazing.
Bro,
Anyway,
if you want to make, I will come to Ramayana and this, I'll just...
in another episode, because we're also gonna talk about animated movies made from Indian mythology and folklore.
Yes!
We're gonna talk about that. So if you want to listen to that, you know what to do.
Great! Well done to get new content. And
Yeah.
वरना मैं भी बोल देता जो मैं बोलने वाला था.
Exactly. I knew you're going there. I'm like, hey.
The only production people here around.
Who are your three Nepo choices?
My three, not in order, but the first person I want to talk about is Ranbir Kapoor and the Kapoor family. Bro, I swear to God, those guys actually are into acting business.
Yeah.
उनमें उनके इसमें I don't think so कोई भी ऐसा एक्टर खानदान में निकला है जिसको एक्टिंग नहीं आती होगी.
Yeah.
You take from Prithviraj Kapoor till Ranbir till now, everyone is good in performance. Everyone has given bad movies. ऐसा नहीं कि नहीं दिए.
Yeah.
Ranbir has done Besharam.
Yeah.
Kareena has done Tashan. करिश्मा ने क्या किया है? कुछ तो किया ही होगा.
राजा हिंदुस्तानी.
बचपन में खल कितना सही लगती थी मूवी, बाद में बड़ा हो गया क्या है ये? क्या घटिया मूवी है बेचारी. But dude, bad movies. But dude, that's the thing ना, कि nepotism है. Just I want to talk about the whole Kapoor family because those guys say कि अच्छा nepotism products, and still you can't deny they are great performers.
Yeah.
तो मेरे को बोल दो कि एक जगह बहुत जगह किया है बेकार. शमशेरा बेकार है, बेशरम बेकार है, और रणबीर की परफॉर्मेंस बेकार है, बट जब उसने टॉप नॉच परफॉर्मेंसेस दी हैं, he has given it.
I mean,
Forget no.
Yeah.
But top notch performances, he has given top notch performances, and
Yeah,
I believe
exactly.
कि वो top notch performances अच्छी है.
हाँ.
It is never कि he has given us Barfi.
Yeah.
Though movie was, तुम कुछ भी बोल लो, Animal, his performance was good.
See, as a movie, we don't know. To each their own. But Animal had some excellent parts to it, and Ranbir was one of it.
See, as a character of that character, Ran Vijay or Abraham, bad character. worst person in the life. That characteristic, that personality, no one should have.
Yeah, but
In the movie,
you
the
know,
movie must hai.
and the thing is, people like them exist. It's not
Yes.
like they have invented this. You know, that's the problem. I think people try to fight hate with more hate.
Yeah,
And it does
exactly.
not work
That's
that way.
stupid, dude. That's
Yeah.
stupid. I'm like, कि तेरे और उसमें क्या फर्क रह गया फिर?
Yeah, I'll tell you something after we're done
हाँ, हाँ.
recording.
Definitely. But yeah, that's the problem. Like, for example, Animal as a personality, but as a movie, bro, बहुत effort. I saw it कि यार ये movie में
हाँ.
कितना effort लगा है as a director,
Yeah,
as a writer, and as an acting performances for
acting
everyone.
is insane, and technically this movie is very strong.
Very strong.
The sound
Technically it's
design,
very good.
background score, light, camera work, insane.
Sandeep Reddy Vanga,
हाँ.
probably his own views जो भी है,
हम्म.
actor अच्छा है, चूतिया आदमी वही है ना कि
आप
डायरेक्टर अच्छा है, आदमी सुअर
आपकी सुअर है. Yeah.
आदमी सुअर है.
So that's a
बट
problem.
डूड वही है
हाँ.
कि यू हाउ आर यू टेलिंग पीपल कि भाई ये मैं कर रहा हूँ, ये नहीं कर रहा हूँ. तुम रणबीर के साथ इतना क्रिटिसिज्म आता है
हाँ.
कि ओ ये रणबीर हैज एटीट्यूड, स्पेशली आफ्टर एनिमल,
हाँ. Yeah.
स्पेशली
And-
आफ्टर एनिमल. ओ दिस
And you know, people started blaming him that he speaks wrongly to Alia and all, screams at Alia. Alia herself said कि there is no problem, we love each other and everything. Everyone is like, no, Alia doesn't know. She is.
या आलिया को नहीं पता उसका पति बना है.
हाँ.
तुम लोग खाली एक इंटरव्यू. सो
मतलब,
I think
I'm done with people and like those entertainment columns who do this kind of
so
thing.
basically, I think it started with a lot of feminist people. कि oh Alia said Ranbir
We will cut this part and post. No. अरे no, I want to.
अच्छा.
Clicks मिलेगा.
Oh, okay. Read that.
Yes.
Definitely.
People will be like,
I am
"Oh,
okay with that.
fucking sexist pigs."
So, dude,
And then,
तुम लोग sexist बुला लो, कुछ भी बुला लो.
and then we'll link to our whole episode. Okay. So
हाँ.
watch that too because.
That वो नहीं, वो क्यों देखेंगे भाई?
हाँ.
वो देखेंगे तो हो गया ना भाई. अरे तुम
हाँ.
लोग लॉजिक कैसा ला सकते हो जिंदगी में?
Yeah.
अब हैं जो. So this is the thing that
हाँ.
with Alia said कि oh Ranbir doesn't like me wearing
हाँ.
huge
हाँ.
makeup.
हाँ.
He doesn't like me wearing lot of lipstick.
हाँ.
I like हाँ नॉर्मल है.
Exactly.
ये उसका नहीं पसंद आती किसी को लिपस्टिक भाई. किस करना होता है, नहीं पसंद आती होगी बोल दिया होगा.
नहीं ऐसे भी वो किस भी छोड़ो, वो ऐसे ही बोला कि मे बी ही अप्रिशिएट्स हर नेचुरल ब्यूटी, है ना?
नेचुरल ब्यूटी नहीं. अबे कभी कभी लाउड मेकअप जब लगता है तुम ये बोलते हो कि भाई इतनी क्यों लगा रखी है.
एग्जैक्टली.
तो बोल दिया होगा उसने इतना मत लगाया कर.
या
लाइट पे अच्छी लगती है आलिया.
हाँ.
बोल दिया होगा भाई. और उस पे बवाल की अरे रणबीर ने कैसे बोल दिया. हाउ कैन ही. भाई वो एक वीडियो था जब when Raj Kapoor's birthday was there and they were having some function. Ranbir and everyone was sitting.
हाँ.
Saif is there, Kareena is there. Saif got up. Everyone got up after a photo. Saif was sitting down, Kareena was sitting down, Alia, everyone was sitting down. Everyone got up. Ranbir, instead of so Saif hold Kareena's hand and picked her up, helped her.
हाँ.
Ranbir did not do that.
हाँ.
Ranbir turned directly to Ranbir Kapoor.
हाँ.
इस पे बवाल हो गया कि one gentleman, one asshole. I'm like पूरा वीडियो देखो, he's supporting his old ताऊजी और
Yeah.
चाचा because that man can't work. वो चेयर पे बैठ के उसको जरूरत है. आलिया उठ
Exactly.
जाएगी भाई कैसे
And
भी.
also, you know, I also understand that women have been repressed and are still being repressed, which I
हाँ.
totally understand. And you know, that sudden outburst is because of that. I understand. But sometimes do look at the whole picture. Maybe yes, what is happening with you is very wrong. We are totally against that. We are against patriarchy and against crimes against women, against atrocities against women. But also understand when it comes to a family dynamic or a couple's dynamic, it's
Very
different.
different dude.
What's between the couple, you do not
You
know.
Don't know वहाँ पे क्या
You
चल
do
रहा
not
है.
know the whole picture. You do not
You
know
are
what
seeing a 10-second reel and then
Yeah.
अरे ये ऐसा बोल रहा है.
nobody knows कि मतलब what mental stage each one of them are in.
Exactly.
Right.
बहुत दूर mental stage तो बहुत दूर जाता है.
हाँ.
Basic चीजें हैं यार. But if I'm in a relationship with someone, I don't like कि you are not looking good in this. होता है, लड़ाई होती है, मेरी बहुत बार हुई है. बट मैं बोलूंगा ना मेरे को नहीं,
मेरी लड़ाई तो खुद से ही है.
क्योंकि साले हमारी जिंदगी में और कोई है ही नहीं. हम में तो है ही ना. आगे वाले सिंगल लौंडे बोल रहे हैं रिलेशनशिप के बारे में, इसी की वजह से सिंगल हम लोग।
Yes.
बट डूड होता है, दे टेल अस, वी टेल अप,
हम्म,
इट्स देयर डायनामिक।
हाँ
रणबीर के पास यही हो रखा है कि अरे ये गंदा इंसान है।
या
एक तो उसकी आवाज इतनी घटी रणबीर टॉक्स लाइक वो ऑलरेडी रोने वाला है।
हाँ
मेरे को लगता है रणबीर आज हंस के बात नहीं कर सकता क्या?
like even in Animal where he is playing like a toxic male, you know,
या
alpha male, even there it feels like he's gonna cry.
क्राई, अरे ब्रो ही
पापा।
लुक्स लाइक ही इज गोना क्राई इन अजब प्रेम की गजब कहानी मैन।
वो तो yeah.
मैं
No,
बोलता
no, you know, his character felt like the Papa character from Kahana Pyar Hai.
I'm like
ये तो पापा उधर में पापा
bro, it's very funny, but I liked it. Ranveer is one thing.
You know what would be fun?
What?
We do a papa off between Ranveer and her. Who can say papa the most
Papa.
time?
Papa,
Papa,
Papa.
papa,
Papa.
papa, and then
This is my Ranveer voice. This is my Ranveer voice.
and
Oh, you know what? I told Alia.
good dude,
I'm good.
good.
I'm good, baby.
And then they comes and say, keep saying papa, papa.
Papa. Papa. Papa.
सुनाई
Papa.
दे रहा है, बहरा नहीं हूँ मैं. करण
तो जवाब क्यों नहीं देता?
जवाब देने के लिए मुंह खाली होना चाहिए.
By the Karan Johar is hilarious in the trailer, dude.
Oh, Karan Johar, oh my God. He can take a joke.
Oh
Mad respect for.
जोक एवरी टाइम मुझसे भाई कौन सा था वो एक मूवी पता है तेरे को, विवेक ओबराय की थी, ज्ञान गुरु वाली कुछ।
है?
हाँ एक
हाँ।
मूवी है ब्रो, बहुत
ज्ञान गुरु.
the whole thing is it's such a good satire movie.
Well-
Vivek Oberoi plays a consultant in life consultant. He gives solutions to people.
हाँ.
लेकिन खुद के लौड़े लगे। It funny as fuck, bro.
Vivek Oberoi giving life advice.
Vivek Oberoi can give life advice, and the first advice is रात को 2 बजे कॉल मत उठाओ किसी को।
Why? Why now? Okay, we'll quickly wrap up.
अच्छा.
We have few.
Last two ना?
Yeah.
है ना अपने पास?
We are at 37 minutes
37
already.
minutes
so,
already. So basically, that's my first one. The second one I want to talk about. I'm sorry, but I believe Mansoor Khan
हाँ.
and the Amir Khan family
Hmm.
have given a good movies to us.
Hmm.
Farah Khan comes. A lot of directors. I want to talk about directors now.
हाँ.
Who come from nepotism.
हाँ.
Directors like Mansoor Khan,
हाँ.
who gave us Josh.
Yeah.
Gave us Jo Jita Wohi Sikandar.
Yep.
Who gave us Jaane Tuya Jaane.
Yes.
Who gave us Jaane Tuya Jaane, Abhit Abbas style wala.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, talking about that.
हाँ.
Farah Khan, an
Yeah.
example of great nepotism.
Yeah.
Again, not flop father, though,
हाँ.
but she got into movies because her father was into movies.
Yeah.
And now we have.
She was also AD in some movies, na?
She started as no, she never started as an AD.
She
I
was
think
choreographer.
Yeah. She was a choreographer for
हाँ.
all time.
हाँ.
She didn't.
She was never an AD, क्या?
She was never an AD. She
हाँ.
was choreographer, and then she was like कि मेरे को मैहूना बनानी है, तो उसने मैहूना बना दी. By the way, you know what? Also, she wanted to make Om Shanti Om first,
हाँ.
but पैसे नहीं थे. And
Obviously.
the worst part was
हाँ.
Shah Rukh also lost a lot of money because मैहूना production is Shah Rukh,
हाँ.
but किसी के पास पैसे नहीं बचे थे.
हाँ.
और ओम शांति ओम के लिए बहुत पैसे चाहिए थे, तो दे लाइक कि हम लोग कुछ और बनाते. तो they made मैहूना.
Yeah.
Then they made Om, but dude, both movies,
Great choice, dude.
great movies, and I think
And one of our favorites, I think,
Yeah.
Tismar Khan.
Tismar Khan, bro,
But like, honestly, what a
movie,
hilarious movie.
hilarious movie. Dude, I tell you, Farah Khan
हाँ.
and Shirish Kundar both are actually don't know because Shirish Kundar's movie Joker,
हाँ.
उसमें भी कुछ जोक्स हैं, बहुत अब्रप्ट मूवी है,
Yeah.
बट उसमें भी एक बहुत कई जोक्स है जो बहुत फनी है.
हाँ.
So it's like कि देख हमारे यहाँ का डैम, उसमें एक जोक है, ए देख हमारे यहाँ का डैम खराब हो गया.
हाँ.
लाइक हाँ, तो आपने मेरे को पहले क्यों नहीं बताया? अरे हमने इतने पोस्ट खत लिखे. लाइक खत मेरे को तो कोई नहीं मिला. हाँ, लेकिन जवाब क्यों नहीं दिया? मिला नहीं वो ठीक है, जवाब क्यों नहीं दिया? अरे पागल है कि कौन से दाग खाते में डाल गया तू? ये जो हमारा गांव का, अबे वो 10 साल से बंद है. हाँ, तो फिर जवाब क्यों नहीं दिया? And I'm like, ये क्या है bro?
It's like Farah Khan has an amazing filmography.
Hilarious
Filmography is amazing, Farah Khan.
But yeah, so Farah Khan and dude, we have Farhan Akhtar and Zoya Akhtar.
Yes.
Nepotism babies again.
Like, first speaking of Farhan, he is a director. He is a music composer. He is a singer.
Singer,
He's an actor.
actor.
He's a writer. ठीक है? And moving to Zoya, she has given movies like Luck by Chance.
Chance. He gave luck by chance to us. She gave Dil Dhadakne Do.
Yes.
जिंदगी ना मिलेगी कि वो दोबारा दिए भाई उस औरत ने हमको.
And Archie's too, but okay.
Agreed. I told you, nepotism people can fuck.
Yes.
They
Yes.
fuck up also. But that,
Man. So these two, I mean, of course, again,
yeah,
जावेद अख्तर का जीन दिखता है.
दिखता है भाई ये लोग है nepotism products, but है ना, killer है ना, perform कर रहे हैं ना भाई.
Yeah. And now what they are, it's based on their talent.
Exactly.
What they did.
Javed Akhtar did his part.
Yeah.
Now it's them.
Yep.
What Farhan Akhtar is there? भाग मिल्खा भाग पे ये नहीं बोल रहा ओ जावेद का बेटा, बोला
हाँ.
फरहान अख्तर bro. रॉक ऑन में किसी ने नहीं बोला जावेद साहब का बेटा, बोला फरहान
Yeah,
अख्तर.
exactly.
मैंने कि bro, this is there in lanes. Nepotism has done some good.
हाँ.
And talking about the final nepotism product,
Yes.
for obvious reasons,
हाँ.
I can't deny. क्योंकि ritual number 2.
Obviously.
You wanna take the name?
No, go for it. Sid. I already
It's Mr. Salman Khan, bro.
Let's see. If we are doing an episode and Conan does not
I
use
don't talk about Salman
name,
Khan.
it cannot happen.
I am in love. I love Salman Khan.
You know, he is the biggest Salman fan I know because I only know 3 people. and the other 2 are not Salman fans. So,
Yeah. But I'm a big Salman fan.
Yeah,
Because, bro, उस बंदे ने क्या stardom कमाई है भाई.
Yup.
मैं अभी मुंह पे बोलता हूँ. If Bollywood has seen stardom after Amitabh Bachchan, it's Shah Rukh and Salman Khan.
Without a doubt. Without a doubt.
And now that's how talent balances out. Shah Rukh is an outsider and Salman is an advocate.
Yeah. Yeah.
We have loved both of them. I love both of them.
I think a lot of people, I mean, if you see their fandom, just look at people gathering outside their house.
Yeah.
They know they're not going to get inside, but they just want to get a glimpse of their hero. And that's
Exactly. Bro, I am not kidding. In YouTube, abhi bhi hai video where people are recording their reaction to Bads of Bollywood
yeah.
and the Shah Rukh last thing. People went crazy.
Yeah.
Badshah and Shah
Arey
Rukh
ghante ka
Khan.
Badshah.
Wow, dude, Shah Rukh Khan.
By the way, that joke, hilarious.
Hilarious joke.
Sir, वो कुछ बोला. क्या बोला? घंटे का बादशाह. घंटे का बादशाह. तेरी वो fuck.
दिल्ली वाला शाहरुख खान.
Loved it.
And dude, even in teaser, that Salman Khan glimpse.
Oh yes.
I'm like, bro, Salman Khan, bro.
Like, but this is a perfect thing to do now.
Bro, I would say this has to be like, for me, Salman Khan is a very big star.
Yeah.
I love him. I loved him from as a kid also.
Yeah.
From his movies like Bazi, Jagrati and everything. I love him, and not because I used to like him. And bro, उसने मेरे को the bodybuilding हो. He looks really good.
Yeah.
He has given some performances जिसको मैं देख के बोलता हूँ भाई ये क्या है? खामोशी he did. He did Khamoshi. He did Hum Dil De Chuke Sam.
London Dreams.
London Dreams.
Yeah.
Jaane Man.
Yes.
Jaane Man. People are like Salman. And my controversial opinion, if someone have to say, dude, sometimes, chhod de, in the whole thing, Salman does better drama than Amir. Amir is funny as hell.
Yeah.
Funny performance of Amirs are hilarious.
Yeah.
But when it comes to emotional scene, Salman kills Amir. Shah Rukh is on another level when it comes to emotional scene.
Yeah.
But dude, Salman kills it. He's better than Akshay when it comes to emotional scenes. He's better than Amir when it comes to emotional scenes.
The Akshay Khanna, okay.
No, not Akshay Khanna. Kumar. Kumar I'm talking about. Akshay Khanna is very good at emotional scenes. But if I compare these two, he's way better when it comes to emotional scenes.
Oh, yeah.
His performance in Khamoshi, his performance in हम दिल दे चुके सनम,
हाँ वो very good.
very good. I'm like, bro, ये आदमी, his performance in Bajrangi Bhaijaan,
No, I love that movie, dude.
I love that movie.
It's such a fun, emotional ride.
And you can't see anyone else doing Bajrangi Bhaijaan.
हाँ, obviously.
So everyone is like, oh, can you record? Oh, it came to Aamir. I'm like, Aamir भी नहीं कर पाता.
नहीं कर पाएगा, नहीं कर पाएगा.
ये सलमान के लिए बनी थी मूवी.
हाँ, totally agree.
मेरे को लगता है कुछ मूवीज होती है ना, जैसे
हाँ.
कि चक दे कोई और नहीं कर पाता.
हाँ, हाँ,
कोई नहीं कर पाता. चक
Yeah.
दे was meant for शाहरुख.
हाँ,
DDLJ was meant for शाहरुख.
yeah.
ठीक है. For Aamir, Three Idiots, no one could have
No
pulled off.
one could do.
No one
Yeah.
could have pulled off Three Idiots.
Yeah.
It was Aamir movie.
हाँ.
Same goes with कौन सी मूवी थी यार आमिर की अच्छी वाली.
बहुत सारी है.
बहुत सारी है. तलाश आई बिलीव इफ कोई और होता तो भी पुल ऑफ कर लेता.
तारे जमीन पर भी आई थिंक
तारे जमीन पर भी कोई ना कोई पुल ऑफ कर
Yeah.
लेता. आमिर रंग दे बसंती
रंग दे बसंती. हाँ, या
लगान कोई पुल ऑफ नहीं कर
Yeah.
पाता.
agree.
लगान रंग दे बसंती कोई नहीं कर पाता.
Yeah.
They have their movies and similarly people have approached.
हाँ.
Aamir was approached for Chulbul Pandey.
Yeah.
But सलमान के अलावा Chulbul Pandey कोई नहीं कर पाता.
Oh, obviously, I wouldn't like Amir Khan as Chulbul Pandey.
Salman was meant for Chulbul Pandey. Salman was meant for Bajrangi Bhaijaan.
Yes.
And I think Salman is one nepo kid. I believe कि जिसको देख के लगता है कि हाँ nepo kid इस level पे.
Chulbul Pandey is an iconic character.
Bro, it's a character.
Yeah.
It's Salman's character and
Right.
it's Salman's.
You know, I hold Chulbul Pandey on the levels of Gabbar and Samba. That kind of
100%.
like
100%.
iconic character.
Iconic characters of Bollywood. If you
Yeah.
ask me, Salman's iconic character is Chulbul Pandey.
Yeah.
100%.
हाँ.
कोई मेरे को कुछ भी बोले नहीं. Salman's iconic character is Chulbul Pandey.
Yeah.
If Salman has to be recognized, like Rajni sir is recognized for
हाँ.
Badshah and Talaiva, Salman is Chulbul Pandey.
Yep.
Nothing else. Shahrukh, I think so. It is the K3G Shahrukh.
Badshah.
Badshah, I would love to see a recast with Salman also. Salman would have done fun.
Do you want to talk about recast in Bollywood? If yes, let us know in the comments.
Well done, Macha. On that note,
That was the episode, guys. We spoke about the good from nepotism today. Let us know if you like the product of nepotism and who do you like. And also let us know, are you excited for the Baths of Bollywood
yes.
that is coming out on the 18th on Netflix?
And if we have missed out anything, mention, DM us, follow us on Instagram. These
Yeah.
are our handles.
Yes, our handles will be here.
And like, share, and subscribe.
Yeah,
and
and also
comment down
help
below.
us fill this.
Yeah.
Please.
We're still waiting for it.
Yeah, please.
Thank you very
On that
much.
note, take care. Love you.
I love you too.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.